What if I told you there's one simple trick that can instantly boost your motivation? And no, it's not some gimmick, it's backed by real psychological research. A fascinating study led by psychologist Sandra Dolcos explored how self-talk affects motivation. Participants were split into two groups. One group spoke to themselves in the first person, "I want to work out, I should go for a run." The other group used the second person, "You want to work out, you should go for a run." The result: the second group, those who talked to themselves as you, felt more driven, more motivated, and were far more likely to take action. Why? Because addressing yourself like you're coaching a friend creates emotional distance. It helps you step outside your anxiety, procrastination, or doubt and take on the role of your own motivator. It's like becoming your own coach, calmer, wiser, more supportive. So next time you feel stuck, don't say, "I can do this." Instead say, "You can do this." You'll be surprised how that small switch in language can flip your mindset. Want to take it further? Pair this technique with a deep breath and a 5-second countdown. Say, "You've got this." 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Watch how quickly your hesitation turns into action. And if you think visualizing success is the key, you might want to rethink that. Watch this video to learn why too much daydreaming can actually kill your progress.